Most people get international SIM options wrong. They assume roaming or local SIMs are your only choices, but eSIMs offer incredible convenience. Today, I'm sharing my experience testing the best eSIMs for Serbia so you can stay connected without hassle. I tried several providers, including Airlo, Holofly, and Nomad. The setup process is simple. Buy the eSIM, scan the QR code, and your phone is ready to use. No physical SIM swap is needed. Most people get this wrong by thinking eSIMs are complicated, but it's faster than buying a local SIM in store. Airlo offers good coverage in Serbia with affordable data plans starting around $10 for 1 GB. Holofly is slightly pricier, but provides unlimited data options, which is great if you need constant internet for navigation or work. Nomad is somewhere in between, offering flexible plans and easy top-ups. In terms of speed, all providers offered reliable 4G coverage in major cities like Belgrade and Novi Sad. Rural areas can be a bit slower, but that's a limitation of the network, not the eSIM itself. Customer support was quickest with Holofly, while Airlo relies more on self-service guides. My recommendation: for short trips and light browsing, Airlo is perfect. For heavy data usage or longer stays, Holofly's unlimited plans are more convenient. Most people get roaming wrong by paying excessive fees for international data, but eSIM solved this efficiently. In conclusion, eSIMs are the easiest way to stay connected in Serbia without swapping physical SIM cards. Most people get international connectivity wrong by ignoring eSIM options, but with these providers, you'll be online instantly at reasonable rates. Subscribe for more travel tech reviews and tips to stay connected anywhere in the world.